Irritable bowel syndrome, commonly known as IBS, is a chronic gastrointestinal disorder that affects millions of people worldwide. This condition can significantly impact daily life, causing discomfort, pain, and disruption to normal activities. In this video, we will explore how to manage and alleviate the symptoms of IBS effectively, allowing individuals to lead a more comfortable and fulfilling life. Common symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. One of the most common symptoms of IBS is painful bloating, which can be both uncomfortable and distressing. Individuals with IBS may also experience abdominal pain, cramping, gas, diarrhea, and constipation. These symptoms can vary in severity and frequency, making it challenging for individuals to predict when they will occur. Recognizing these symptoms and seeking appropriate treatment to alleviate discomfort and improve quality of life is essential. Importance of managing irritable bowel syndrome. Managing IBS is crucial for overall well-being and quality of life. Untreated IBS can lead to increased stress, anxiety, and depression, as individuals may constantly worry about when symptoms will strike. By effectively managing IBS through lifestyle changes, dietary modifications, and stress-reducing techniques, individuals can experience significant relief and improve their overall health and well-being. Working closely with healthcare professionals to develop a personalized treatment plan that addresses individual needs and concerns is essential. Certain foods such as dairy, gluten, spicy foods, and high-fat foods can exacerbate symptoms of IBS and lead to discomfort and pain. Individuals with IBS need to identify their trigger foods and make necessary dietary adjustments to avoid flare-ups. This can be challenging, as many favorite foods must be limited or eliminated from the diet. However, by working with a healthcare provider or dietitian, individuals can develop a well-balanced and nutritious diet that supports digestive health and minimizes symptoms of IBS. In this segment, we will delve into the role of stress, dietary choices, and specific food triggers in the onset and management of IBS, providing viewers with valuable insights into understanding and addressing this common condition. Role of stress in exacerbating irritable bowel syndrome symptoms. Stress is known to play a significant role in exacerbating symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. When individuals experience stress, whether due to work, relationships, or other factors, can trigger changes in the gut-brain axis, leading to increased sensitivity in the digestive system. This heightened sensitivity can result in abdominal pain, bloating, diarrhea, or constipation, making symptoms of IBS more pronounced and challenging to manage. By implementing stress-reducing techniques such as mindfulness, meditation, exercise, and relaxation practices, individuals can help alleviate the impact of stress on their digestive health and improve overall well-being. Impact of certain food groups on gut health and bloating. Dietary choices are crucial in managing irritable bowel syndrome, as certain food groups can impact gut health and contribute to bloating and discomfort. Foods high in fermentable carbohydrates, known as FODMAPs, can be particularly problematic for individuals with IBS, as they can ferment in the gut and produce gas, leading to bloating and abdominal distension. Additionally, foods that are high in fat, spicy foods, caffeine, and alcohol can also trigger symptoms of IBS and exacerbate digestive issues. By being mindful of food choices and their potential impact on gut health, individuals can make informed decisions to support digestive comfort and reduce symptoms of IBS. Common food triggers for irritable bowel syndrome. Common food triggers for irritable bowel syndrome include dairy products, gluten-containing foods, artificial sweeteners, high fructose foods, and certain vegetables like onions and garlic. These foods can be problematic for the digestive system to process, leading to gas, bloating, diarrhea, or constipation in individuals with IBS. Individuals need to identify their specific food triggers through a food diary or elimination diet, and work with a healthcare provider or dietitian to develop a personalized dietary plan that minimizes symptoms and supports digestive health. Holistic approaches to managing symptoms. Irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, is a condition that can significantly impact an individual's quality of life. This segment will explore various holistic methods for managing IBS, including stress-reducing activities, dietary modifications, and lifestyle changes that can positively impact gut health and reduce bloating. Engaging in stress-reducing activities such as yoga, meditation, deep breathing exercises, and mindfulness practices can help calm the mind and body, reducing the impact of stress on the digestive system. These activities promote relaxation, improve mental clarity, and enhance overall well-being, making them valuable tools for individuals looking to manage their IBS symptoms holistically. Instead, focusing on a fiber-rich diet, Lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help regulate digestion, reduce inflammation, and support gut health. Working with a healthcare provider or dietitian to create a personalized meal plan that meets individual dietary needs and preferences can be beneficial in managing IBS symptoms effectively. Regular physical activity, adequate hydration, and enough sleep are essential for overall health and digestive function. Regular exercise can help regulate bowel movements, reduce bloating, and improve mood. Staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day can aid digestion and prevent constipation. Additionally, getting enough restful sleep is crucial for overall well-being and can help reduce stress levels and improve gut health. By incorporating stress-reducing activities, maintaining a balanced diet, avoiding trigger foods, and making lifestyle changes that support gut health, individuals with IBS can take proactive steps to manage their condition holistically and achieve greater comfort and well-being. Seeking professional guidance when managing irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Seeking professional guidance from healthcare providers is essential for obtaining personalized treatment plans that address individual needs and concerns. In this segment, we will emphasize the importance of consulting medical professionals for proper diagnosis and management of IBS, discuss the roles of gastroenterologists and dietitians in treating the condition, and provide tips on effectively communicating symptoms to healthcare providers. Importance of seeking medical advice for proper diagnosis and management. Consulting healthcare professionals is crucial for individuals experiencing symptoms of IBS, as a proper diagnosis and management are critical to effectively addressing the condition. Healthcare providers, such as primary care physicians, gastroenterologists, and dietitians, can conduct thorough evaluations, order diagnostic tests, and develop personalized treatment plans tailored to each individual's specific symptoms and needs. Role of gastroenterologists and dietitians in treating irritable bowel syndrome. Gastroenterologists specialize in diagnosing and treating digestive system disorders, including irritable bowel syndrome. Dietitians also play a crucial role in treating irritable bowel syndrome by guiding dietary modifications and meal planning. A registered dietitian can help individuals identify trigger foods, create personalized meal plans, and offer nutritional advice to support digestive health and reduce symptoms of IBS. By working with a dietitian, individuals can make informed food choices, optimize their diets, and improve their overall well-being. Tips on effectively communicating symptoms to healthcare providers. When discussing symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome with healthcare providers, it is essential to be clear, specific, and detailed in describing experiences. A symptom diary can help track symptoms patterns, triggers, and severity, providing valuable information for healthcare professionals. Be prepared to discuss the frequency and duration of symptoms, any factors that worsen or alleviate symptoms, and how symptoms impact daily life. Open and honest communication with healthcare providers can help ensure accurate diagnoses and personalized treatment plans that effectively address individual needs. Seeking professional guidance from healthcare providers is crucial for individuals with irritable bowel syndrome to receive a proper diagnosis, personalized treatment plans, and ongoing support in managing their condition. By consulting gastroenterologists, dietitians, and other healthcare professionals, individuals can access the expertise and resources needed to effectively address symptoms of IBS and improve their quality of life. Managing irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and promoting gut health is essential for individuals looking to improve their quality of life and alleviate symptoms of this common gastrointestinal disorder. Lifestyle changes, including stress management, dietary modifications, regular exercise, and adequate sleep, play a crucial role in alleviating symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. By reducing stress levels, avoiding trigger foods, staying hydrated, and engaging in physical activity, individuals can support digestive health, reduce bloating, and improve overall gut function. Taking proactive steps in managing gut health is critical to effectively addressing symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome and promoting overall well-being. By seeking medical advice, working with healthcare professionals, and implementing personalized treatment plans, individuals can gain valuable insights, support, and resources to manage their IBS symptoms successfully. Viewers must prioritize their gut health, listen to their bodies, and make informed choices supporting digestive comfort and well-being. Promote further engagement by subscribing for more health-related. Subscribing to health-related content can be a valuable source of ongoing support and education for individuals seeking additional information, tips, and resources on managing irritable bowel syndrome and promoting gut health. Subscribe to our channel for more health-related content, tips, and insights on managing irritable bowel syndrome and enhancing gut health. By incorporating lifestyle changes, seeking professional guidance, and taking proactive steps to manage gut health, individuals can effectively address symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome and promote overall well-being.